Ora koutou te whānau morihu. We're here at Pukekohe for Whakamoemiti, and I'm just going to introduce you to Noronia Pene. Tēnā koe aho.
Kia ora, kia ora.
And the camera's yours.
Kia ora e te whānau, e te iwi morihu. Nei rā te mihi no tēnei uri no te kaipara ngā te whātua me ngā puhi hoki, Noronia Pene tēnei. Tēnā koutou katoa. He mema ahau no te reo o te omaka tūturu. He mema au no te reo o te omaka mai toku tau kau. Tēnā koutou. The reason we come here today, or the main reason, is for Whakamoemiti, to share Whakamoemiti with everyone. But we also come here, me and a rōpū of boys from AUT University have come here today to do an interview on etahi o the wahine in te reo o te tuatoru me te reo o te whā te katoa. In our university class, we've been given the opportunity to make our own documentary, a short documentary, and me and 3 other boys named Michael Ukariwhihita, Jamie Taurua and Erawini Paranehi have come together and decided to do a documentary on Te Hahi Rātana from the band's point of view. So the reason for us coming here today also was to get interviews of wahine from those reo, so we can put it in our documentary, and that'll be our wahine side of perspective of the reo, and for the outsiders viewer looking in to get an idea of Te Hahi through the eyes of the band. So koina.
Well, kia ora, my name's Eru Paranehi. I'm from AUT University here in Auckland, and we're studying Māori media. One of our projects is to shoot a documentary. Our documentary is about the band, the band itself. So we wanted to do something on the Morihu. One of our members is currently active within the Morihu. He's from the Te Omeka, Te Omeka, and so we wanted to do one on the band. He's kind of like the star of it as well. So we've got through the eyes of him, But also this section that we're filming today is about our wahine of the band, and I was sort of privileged to have one of my old workmates actually was from the Tauranga lot, and her dad is the bandmaster of their lot that have come up, and so I sort of liaised with him and asked, hey, can I shoot all our aunties and cousins and that, so yeah, he's been very helpful, and we just want to do a big mihi out to Manihira McLeod and the McLeod clan, as we used to call them back in Tauranga. So
Thank you very much, our nephew, for your time, and thank you for this opportunity. And I hope, on behalf of all our morihu out there, that your followers documentary is very successful.
Yeah,
the message that comes out of it, I know it'll be an awesome message. So good luck with all that. And thank you very much. Mihi to you, Nef, and to the whānau all out there. We'll get together at the next interview.
Mauri ora.